Hi guys, how are you doing? How's everything going with you? As on today, we have Bank Nifty that is having a very strong bullish momentum, as you can see here. All this is because we have the markets that are moving in the upward direction. The reason being that we have a meeting at 11:30 p.m. today by FOMC member Bostic speaks today. Yeah. So we have another announcement by the Fed, and normally the markets always expect some positive news. So basically, they are always looking forward to having a strong hawkish, dovish representation by the Fed, and that's the reason most of them they try to look forward into the positive direction. As you can see here, this on the 15-minute chart, this has become positive. This has had a divergence, and the low of this, as you can see here, the low of this did not break the low of this one. This candle here at 14:30 did not break the low of this candle at 9:15 in the morning. So this is a strong bullish divergence. So if you want to take trading on Bank Nifty today, you can take tomorrow morning, and everything will depend on the nature of the talks that are going to be done from the Fed. But this is the position, and you could easily make like 5 to 6%, or maybe up to 10% of your total investment on the this thing. So this is a very strong bullish momentum. As you can see, the other indexes are also moving up, and we still have some. Yeah, so we still have some momentum coming from the Fed that might decide the future course of action with regards to the interest rates. So this is running in a good the the markets are changing dynamically, so we cannot adopt to one strategy, but all we have to look forward is to seeing if there is any expectation, there is positive expectations that the investors might have from the markets, and they like to see that particular data, and before the data comes out, because of the positive expectations, the markets try to move in the upward direction, and this is the reason why you should look forward to these data. So at 11:30 p.m. today in the night, if the Fed shows a dovish tone, and there might be a 70 to 80% chance of the Fed reducing the interest rates by March. So the whole of the market will turn into a bullish momentum, and you will see that everything is going up unless and until you have a war that might break out, or there might be an earthquake somewhere, big earthquake that might affect the whole of the world, or there might be some big political dislodgement, some big news that might happen. Maybe Apple falls tomorrow. That might be a very big news for the markets to know. But otherwise, normally the markets will try to become go in the positive direction, and this is why, if you can see, the indexes are going in the positive direction. So as you can see here, so we have taken some trade on Bank Nifty and the Nifty 50, and as you can see, we are moving into the positive direction based on the bullish momentum, and also the announcement by the Fed tonight. So this is going to be a good trade that you can take, and you can easily make some money out of it. Yeah. So this is 13, almost 13% return in a single day. Even mutual funds will not give you, and that's why people prefer to trade options, even though options are volatile and risky. But if you know your game, there is nothing risky. You can make money out of anything. So this is running, and as you can see, okay, on the tech hundred, we are moving up only, and on the Wall Street also, we are making good movement, and yeah, even on the index options in Indian stock market, we are making good momentum. And we identified the momentum early on because we were waiting for the markets to drop, and we were waiting for this formation to happen. This is nothing but a divergence with a double bottom. It's basically a double bottom, but it can also break. There is nothing permanent in the markets. Anytime it can also break, depending on the market sentiment. But at the end of the day, you have to, as a trader, you need to look for such areas for you to make entries. This is one of the best points of entry that you can ever have. And if the market reaches at this point, it will be foolish for you to make entries, because from this point, anytime the market can tumble. From here to here, you can easily make a good amount of money for yourself. Yeah, if the momentum remains positive. If the momentum remains positive. Otherwise, and then no, there is no guarantee for a positive momentum in the market unless and until everything is hunky dory. So that's it from us. It was nice talking to you guys. Thanks for watching us. Sam Capital. Goodbye.